Hi guys, it's Gigi back with a quick update on my MIG growoff 2022 bucket. So we are getting germination still. It's been really cold here in Florida, unusually cold, and so some of our things have not fully germinated, but I see new ones popping up every single day, and some of my seed moved around a little bit when I went to water it in after planting, but that's okay. We'll have some purple mustards that are coming up over with the red, the red onions and the purple shallots. So everything is looking really good. And as a reminder, I did use all composted soil and other composted material, and so along with a little perlite in there. But the bucket looks really good. It looks really healthy. We have these two purple mustards next to each other who decided to support each other and really be great. So they are doing really well right now. And so this is my first time growing the purple shallots, and they are still coming up. As you can see, one trying to peek through right there. So I'm glad to see that everything is looking well. Look how healthy the purple mustards are looking. I'm very happy with them. And I actually used the same seeds that I collected from my 2020 garden when I grew the purple mustards there. So I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.